Hey people, so yesterday I watched this movie called Ninnu Talachi. It's a Telugu film and it's on Amazon Prime. And the stars that is Vamshi Yakashri and Steffi Patel are are like really good. The star cast. I mean, they are like nice people. You would want to probably know about their lives, but like the storyline and uh, the characterization in this movie, like there are goes completely like off, like in terms of yeah, I feel that if someone has to be a good scriptwriter, they should be a good human being first, because if while writing the script, if you are poking fun at fat people or at this very I mean, these people who come from village background, so they obviously have a certain style of talking and all. So I found that a little odd in this film. Yeah, that. But I'll say this: the writer of the film has a rather keen observation of the people around him, like, because this movie is full of stereotypes, like that's what I mean in terms of in a group of friends also, based in, probably, like, this is set in Vizag, but there's this one friend who's very overweight, and but he's still trying for these software jobs, and then you know there's this other friend who's come from a rural background, so he keeps speaking like na urlo, like, in my village this happens, in my village that happens, this thing. But so that's what the lead character Vamshi Yakasri, I mean, he tries his best in the given situation or scenario, because he's made to say some of these very mean and caustic, almost caustic dialogues, so uh, if a person were to be like that in real life, they'd be like, you'd shun them for being so toxic. But this movie, it is celebrated, he's the hero, like, it's fine to be rude to your parents, to be very dismissive of the love of your life, your girlfriend. So I found those things very jarring. But otherwise, Steffi Patel, oh my god, she's like such a cute find. She was one of the Miss India contestants, and I think she won a title also, the Miss India teen, I think, teen pageant. But she's like, really, she's like a breath of fresh air. So I would go and watch this movie on Amazon Prime for Steffi Patel. In fact, I liked her so much in the trailer that I was like, I need to watch this film. So really, people. So no, I like to give these honest reviews, because you can tell that the lead pair, they've done their best, and in fact, even the supporting star cast, everyone is putting their best. But when the script is a little, I don't know, chauvinistic, I think, or very like, I if I were to meet a guy like that character in real life, anybody would want to run a mile. But still, having said that, you can tell that the lead pair is very sincere in their performances, and somewhere that is very important for a film, for you know for you to like the lead pair, the chemistry between them. So do try and catch it, people. It's called Ninnu Talchi, and it's on Amazon Prime. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.